Looking to boost your income in 2024? Check out these top 5 side hustles that can help you earn extra money fast. Welcome back to WealthWorks. In today's video, we're going to explore the top 5 side hustles you can start in 2024 to increase your income. Whether you're looking to pay off debt, save for a big purchase, or just have some extra cash on hand, these side hustles are perfect for you. Let's dive in. Many people struggle to make ends meet with just one source of income. With the rising cost of living, finding additional ways to earn money has become essential. A side hustle can provide the financial cushion you need to achieve your financial goals without relying solely on your primary job. Let's dive into the top 5 side hustles for 2024 and explore each one in detail. First up, freelancing. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer make it easy to offer your skills, whether it's writing, graphic design, programming, or even virtual assistance. Freelancing allows you to work on your own terms and make extra money using your talents. Identify your skills. What are you good at? Writing, graphic design, web development, marketing? Identify your strengths and start building your profile around them. Create a strong profile. Your profile is your first impression. Make sure it highlights your skills, experience, and showcases your best work. Include a professional photo and write a compelling bio. Start small. Take on smaller projects to build your reputation and gain positive reviews. As you gain experience, you can start bidding on higher-paying gigs. Set competitive rates. Research what others in your field are charging and set competitive rates. As you gain more experience and positive reviews, you can gradually increase your rates. Market yourself. Use social media, blogs, and other platforms to market your freelancing services. Networking can also lead to more opportunities. Freelancing can be a lucrative side hustle, especially if you have a specific skill set that is in high demand. Next, let's talk about online tutoring. If you have expertise in a particular subject, online tutoring can be a lucrative side hustle. Platforms like tutor.com, Chegg, and VIPKid connect you with students worldwide, allowing you to teach and earn from home. Choose your subject. What subjects are you passionate about and knowledgeable in? Math, science, languages, test prep? Choose your area of expertise. Select a platform. Each platform has different requirements and payment structures. Research and choose the one that best fits your skills and availability. Create a professional profile. Highlight your qualifications, experience, and teaching style. Make sure your profile is detailed and professional to attract more students. Prepare your materials. Have your lesson plans, resources, and teaching materials ready. Being well prepared will help you provide a better learning experience. Engage with students. Build rapport with your students and be patient. Engaging and interactive sessions will lead to better reviews and more clients. Online tutoring not only provides a flexible schedule, but also the satisfaction of helping others learn and succeed. Another great side hustle is e-commerce. Selling products online through platforms like Etsy, eBay, or Amazon can be a great way to generate extra income. Whether you create handmade goods, resell items, or dropship products, e-commerce offers endless possibilities. Choose your niche. What products are you passionate about? Handmade crafts, vintage items, electronics, clothing? Find a niche that interests you and has a demand. Set up your store. Create an attractive and professional-looking store. Use high-quality images and write detailed descriptions for your products. Source your products. Depending on your niche, you can either create your own products, source from wholesalers, or use drop-shipping suppliers. Marketing and SEO. Use social media, SEO, and paid advertising to drive traffic to your store. The more visibility your store has, the more sales you can generate. Customer service. Provide excellent customer service to build a loyal customer base. Respond to inquiries promptly and handle any issues professionally. E-commerce can be very rewarding, especially if you find a niche that you're passionate about. Next, let's explore ride-sharing and delivery services. Companies like Uber, Lyft, DoorDash, and Instacart offer flexible opportunities to earn money by driving or delivering items. You can choose your hours and work when it's convenient for you. Choose a service. Decide whether you want to drive people, Uber, Lyft, or deliver food and groceries, DoorDash, Instacart. Each has its own requirements and earning potential. Meet the requirements. Ensure you meet the vehicle, age, and background check requirements for the service you choose. Sign up and get started. Complete the sign-up process, which usually involves providing your personal information, vehicle details, and completing a background check. Maximize your earnings. Drive during peak hours, take advantage of bonuses and promotions, and provide excellent service to receive higher tips and ratings. Track your expenses. Keep track of your mileage, fuel, and maintenance costs. These expenses can be tax-deductible, reducing your overall tax liability. Ride-sharing and delivery services offer the flexibility to work on your own schedule and can be a great way to earn extra income. Finally, let's talk about social media management. Businesses are always looking for help managing their social media accounts. If you're savvy with platforms like Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter, you can offer your services and help brands grow their online presence. Build your own presence. Before you start, ensure you have a strong social media presence yourself. This acts as your portfolio and showcases your skills. Identify potential clients. Small businesses, startups, and personal brands are often in need of social media management. Reach out to them and offer your services. Create a service package. Define what services you'll offer. Content creation, posting schedules, engagement, analytics reporting, etc. Create packages to make it easier for clients to choose. Stay updated. Social media trends and algorithms are constantly changing. Stay updated with the latest trends and best practices to offer the best service to your clients. Measure results. Use analytics tools to measure the effectiveness of your strategies and make data-driven decisions to improve your services. Social media management can be a highly rewarding side hustle, especially if you enjoy creating content and engaging with audiences. These side hustles not only provide extra income, but also the flexibility to work on your own terms. Imagine being able to pay off your debt faster, save for a vacation, or simply have more financial freedom. Each of these side hustles can be started with minimal investment, making them accessible to almost everyone. To recap, the top 5 side hustles for 2024 include freelancing, online tutoring, e-commerce, ride-sharing and delivery services, and social media management. By exploring these options, you can find the perfect side hustle to fit your skills and lifestyle. Comment below with your favorite side hustle idea or any questions you have. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to WealthWorks, and hit the notification bell for more tips and strategies to help you achieve financial success. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Stay tuned for our next video where we'll be diving into how to invest in stocks for beginners. A step-by-step guide. If you've been thinking about investing in the stock market but don't know where to start, this video will guide you through the basics and help you make informed decisions. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss it.